Admissions officers read fast, they don't send notes back, and for most applicants, this essay gets one shot to make its case. So if you're hoping someone will tell you what missed before it matters, that feedback has to happen now, not after you hit submit. A teacher, parent, or friend might say it sounds strong, but that's not the same as rubric-based feedback that shows exactly where points are slipping away. EssayLens evaluates your essay across 8 dimensions and 20 name checks, then gives you a score out of 100. And it doesn't stop at a number. Each score is tied to quoted sentences from your essay, so you can see exactly what triggered the feedback. Instead of dumping every comment on you at once, it points to the fixes most likely to move your score, so you know where to start. You can revise, rescore, and keep improving, while your voice stays yours. EssayLens gives feedback only. It doesn't rewrite the essay for you. You get 2 free evaluations, no card required, so you can score the draft you already have tonight. Try it at sapprep1600.com/college-essay-evaluation.